Hello there, we are GWN Global Wild Network, a community for the voice of voiceless. If you're a nature lover or animal lover, you must watch this. If you're interested, you can join our community. Let's dive into the vedio. Today, our planet stands at a decisive moment in history. Across forests, mountains, oceans, and polar regions, species are disappearing at an alarming rate. The International Union for Conservation of Nature maintains the Global Red List, which tracks species at risk of extinction, and its findings reveal a troubling reality. Human activities have pushed thousands of animals and plants toward survival crises. Among the most critically endangered species is the Javan rhinoceros, found only in a small protected region of Indonesia. With an extremely limited population, this species faces threats from poaching, habitat destruction, and even natural disasters such as volcanic eruptions that could eliminate the entire population in a single event. Similarly, the Amur leopard survives in the cold forests of Russia and China with very low population numbers due to habitat fragmentation and illegal hunting. In marine environments, the vaquita, a small porpoise found only in the Gulf of California, is on the brink of extinction because of illegal fishing nets that trap and drown them unintentionally. These examples show that extinction is no longer a distant possibility. It is a present danger. Even larger and more widely recognized animals remain under threat. The African elephant continues to suffer from ivory poaching and shrinking habitats as human settlements expand. The blue whale, the largest animal ever known to exist on Earth, faces dangers from ship strikes, ocean noise pollution, climate change, and contamination of marine waters. While international bans on commercial whaling have helped, modern environmental pressures continue to challenge marine giants. Vulnerable species such as the polar bear are losing essential Arctic sea ice due to global warming, directly linking climate change to wildlife survival. Giant pandas depend heavily on bamboo forests, which have been reduced by deforestation, though conservation programs have shown that recovery is possible when strong protection measures are implemented. Snow leopards, living in mountainous regions of Central Asia, struggle against habitat loss and poaching, demonstrating that even remote ecosystems are not safe from human impact. These wildlife crises are directly connected to broader environmental challenges facing humanity. Climate change, driven largely by greenhouse gas emissions from industries, transportation, and deforestation, is increasing global temperatures, melting glaciers, intensifying storms, and altering rainfall patterns. Plastic pollution has become one of the most visible environmental threats. Millions of tons of plastic waste enter oceans every year, breaking down into microplastics that contaminate marine food chains and even reach human bodies. Deforestation continues as forests are cleared for agriculture, palm oil plantations, mining, and urban development, reducing biodiversity and weakening Earth's ability to regulate carbon dioxide. Air pollution from vehicles and factories affects both environmental and human health, while water scarcity threatens communities due to overuse, contamination, and climate-related droughts. Oceans, which cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface, are particularly vulnerable. Oil spills release toxic substances into marine waters. Chemical runoff from farms carries fertilizers and pesticides into rivers and seas, and untreated sewage contaminates coastal ecosystems. Coral reefs are bleaching due to rising ocean temperatures and acidification, causing the loss of biodiversity hotspots that support countless marine species. Overfishing depletes fish populations faster than they can reproduce, and bycatch unintentionally kills non-target species such as sea turtles and dolphins. The destruction of mangroves and seagrass beds weakens coastal protection and disrupts marine breeding grounds, further destabilizing ocean ecosystems that billions of people rely on for food and livelihoods. Certain countries face especially severe environmental pressures. Brazil continues to battle large-scale deforestation in the Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, leading to massive biodiversity loss. Indonesia experiences rapid forest clearing for palm oil production, threatening iconic species and increasing carbon emissions. Madagascar faces extremely high rates of species extinction due to habitat destruction. India deals with habitat fragmentation, air pollution, and river contamination, while also running major conservation initiatives such as tiger protection programs. China faces ecological challenges due to rapid industrialization and urban expansion. These examples highlight that environmental degradation is a global issue requiring international cooperation. Despite these challenges, solutions exist. Individuals can reduce energy consumption, use reusable products, conserve water, and support sustainable seafood choices. Communities can organize cleanup drives, promote environmental education, and encourage responsible consumption. Governments can strengthen environmental laws, expand protected areas, and enforce anti-poaching measures. International agreements and climate action initiatives can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable development. Protecting endangered, vulnerable, and threatened species is not only about saving animals. It is about preserving ecosystems, stabilizing climate systems, and safeguarding the future of humanity itself. The fate of Earth's biodiversity depends on awareness, responsibility, and collective action. Extinction is permanent, but conservation is a choice we still have the power to make. And lastly, we are generations our Mother Earth, so we have the responsibility to save our Mother Earth. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and get thundered for more info, and check our previous videos on our channel and join in our community.